That's airplane, right?
Yep. And remember, guys, we're at the airport park. This is actually called the Thomas Dixon Junior Aircraft Observation Area. Hey, go. Can never find a place to park, and there's planes coming in, y'all. I promise y'all. I want y'all to see how close they come over the road. They should have more parking here. They're coming. They're coming in, y'all. And it's so crazy. When I was a teenager, my mom and I was driving down the road, and we saw some skid marks. And I said, I know people were scared that plane was going to crash. They're coming, y'all. Can't see it right there, but they're coming.
That light stopped me to a point, right? Oh, I see it.
It's recording, right?
Yeah. There it comes,
Yes,
y'all.
my son is. The plane is coming, y'all. The plane.
How are you guys doing, y'all? Oh, look at the plane.
Watch. Look at that, y'all. There's some more coming in, y'all. Yep. The airport's right there, y'all. Like, right there.
So what do you think of the plane? Yeah. What do you think, Mom?
I love it.
Me too. Like, share, subscribe, comment, or...
I'm glad we actually got a daggone parking space. Come another one, y'all.
That's one for you.
They're all Southwest, I think. They're all Southwest planes. Look, y'all, look. Look how close they come by the cars, y'all. That's so neat. I'm trying to get one more for y'all. Yeah. It's another Southwest plane, y'all. We're so used to them that, you know, we've been around here like almost 30 years that, you know. Ooh, that was 3 Southwest planes. Up that road is Mommy and Daddy's house. Down that road is where we go to our house. Ice cream truck is here, y'all. They never had a swing set. That's the playground, y'all. They never had a swing set. This is the little trail that, this trail goes for miles and miles. We used to walk this trail. Just look at a little porta potty right there. Oh, they got a bike, an air thing for your bike now. But it's a little, it came out, it said it was 70 degrees. There go another one, y'all. Hold up, Biggie. They're all Southwest planes. They're all Southwest. People are on the grass having picnics and stuff. That's what you call free entertainment. Alrighty, guys. So they say you go to Annapolis that way. I don't know. It's some trails through there. There might be people's houses. Alright, y'all. I just wanted to show y'all the airplanes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we will see you guys next time. Bye.